Hello guys, welcome to programming ABC. Today I will show how to change shape during a form activate. On activate, var a bitmap t bitmap begin border style bs none a bitmap t bitmap dot create a bitmap monochrome true a bitmap void height same a bitmap canvas brush dot color seal black a bitmap dot canvas dot fill rect 00 white height a bitmap canvas brush color seal white a bitmap canvas round rect 00 white height 30 set shape a bitmap free copy this paste save project desktop save form save now compile compile success it is my form shape thank you for watching. Please